DIY marketing using social platforms will take time, effort, and research. But the truth is, in this digital era, engaging content is the lifeblood of any business, regardless of its size. It's like the secret sauce that makes your brand stand out in the crowded online marketplace. Think about it. Engaging content can help you grow your customer base. It can spark conversations, foster relationships, and turn your followers into loyal customers. Not only does it promote your products or services effectively, but it also gives your brand a human touch, making it more relatable and authentic. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can make sure not to miss out on any of our other insightful tips. It helps us get videos like this out in front of other astute business owners like yourself in order to help them grow their business and increase their profits. Now let's talk about DIY marketing. It's relatively simple once you learn the ropes, it's cost-effective, and guess what? It works. It puts you in the driver's seat, allowing you to control your brand's narrative and engage with your audience on a more personal level. So, the question arises, how do you create this engaging content? Stay tuned to find out. Creating engaging content might sound like a daunting task, but it isn't. It can be broken down into manageable steps. Let's dive in. First off, it all starts with brainstorming ideas. Think about what your audience might find interesting or useful. It's about finding that sweet spot between what you're passionate about and what your audience wants to see. Even creating content that has value to them. People that find value in what you give them will want to give value back to you. Usually in the form of being a customer. Once you've got a bunch of ideas, it's time to create a content calendar. This is essentially a schedule of what you'll post and when. It helps keep you organized and ensures you're always ready with fresh content. Next is the production phase. This is where you bring your ideas to life. Whether it's writing a blog post, filming a video, or crafting a social media post, this is where the magic happens. The video you're watching right now is a perfect example of content you could create. Finally, we have the publishing and promotion stage. Once your content is ready, share it with the world and let it do its job of engaging your audience. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly updating your content keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Let's quickly recap everything we've discussed so far. We've delved into the significance of engaging content, a mighty tool in the arsenal of any business, big or small. Remember, it's all about creating a dialogue, a two-way street that fosters a bond between you and your audience. We unpacked the process of content creation, emphasizing the value of authenticity and relevance. Your content should reflect your brand's values and resonate with your audience's interests. It's a delicate balance, but with a dash of creativity, you can hit the sweet spot. The benefits, they're manifold. From heightened brand awareness to increased customer engagement and loyalty, the ripple effects of quality content are far-reaching. It's like throwing a pebble into a pond and watching the ripples spread outwards, reaching corners you never thought possible. So there you have it. Creating engaging content is not as hard as it seems. With a little bit of effort and consistency, you can significantly boost your business's presence on social media. At Genesis Premier Studios, we realize DIY marketing isn't for everyone, and for those people, we're here to help. We offer monthly subscription plans for social media management and content creation to match the level of engagement that suits your needs best. Contact us today to find out more at our website, genesispremierstudios.com.